Hey guys, what's up? It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another video in our at-home hobby series. So today I'll be showing you guys how I created a greeting card at home. So today I will be using Canva. I'll be using my Epson 7720 printer. I'll probably either be using my paper cutter or a scissors and just some regular old cardstock paper. Now note that if you want the same exact cardstock paper that I have, make sure you visit the link for my Amazon store in the description box to see all of the products that I use for my business and in most of my videos. The design that I am using today is a design that I created in Procreate, and I call her January. All right, so I have Canva pulled up, and here in this search box, you're just going to hit greeting card, and it should bring up a whole bunch of templates here. So I'm just going to hit the very first one that says greeting card. Here you have a few templates of different things that you can start with, change. I am going to start with a blank service. I'm going to start with a blank template. I'm going to go ahead and upload my design. And I'm trying to think, what color do I want here? I want to go with like a burnt orange. So let's see what type of orange colors I can get. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, so let's bring in my design here. Oh, I don't know what that is. It's probably an extra little dot that I added on there someplace. I am going to go to my elements and grab a line, and I'm going to, of course, 90-degree angle, and make sure I'm using my my page. So I am going to do happy birthday. So I'm going to ungroup this, take away that bottom part. No, you know what? I think I want to use that bottom part for something else. So let's see. Put happy. Of course, I'm going to use that curve effect. I'm going to make this smaller. And I named her January because this is actually a photo of me. I think I told you guys that last time when I was doing the bookmark. So this is an actual photo of me that I, created in Procreate. So bring that down. Happy, gonna copy that. Hit the duplicate button. Then write the word birthday. And then gonna go to the effects and curve it the other way around. All right, let's see how that looks. Bring that down just a little bit more. I'm gonna grab all of this together. Try not to grab the actual line, but it looks like it wants to be taken on a trip in the little rocket ship. Okay, so trying to make sure this looks good, looks even. It says happy birthday. To do the inside, so I'm trying to make sure. So on this side, all right, so I'm going to add a page, and I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to bring this down here. If you guys didn't know that you could bring stuff from a document above, now you do. So if I was to print this on both sides, this would be a blank card. I could put possibly something on the back. Let me duplicate that so I do that and put something on the back of my actual greeting card. And maybe it might just be my name. Just gonna put my website. So if you are doing this for your business, this will definitely be where you want to put your business like logo or something, or a little seal on the back. I'm just putting a logo. So now if I was to flip this around, I would know that this would be the inside, but I don't want my inside to be this color. Of course, it's too much. So of course it's going to be white. And let's find out phrase. Oh, so I love songs. So I'm gonna put "It's Your Birthday" beat. And then let's see. Well, maybe a candle or something. Let's see. They have a birthday candle, you know, like the old school little small wax ones. Find one that I like. Oh, I can't change the color to that one. That sucks. Nope. So since I can't change the color, let's see if they have birthday balloons. I don't think I want balloons either. See, do a birthday cake. So that looks fun. And I'll put that right there. Oh, it's birthday, bitch. I forgot it's your birthday, bitch. So I'm gonna move that up just a little bit. And then it has a cake. So now I'm gonna delete this. And I am going to save as a PDF print. And I'm going to hit download, and then I'm going to take you guys to my computer so you can see me print this beautiful birthday card out with a custom digital art image that I made in Procreate. And of course, like I told you guys, I named her January. So this is the very first birthday card that I did. Just a simple happy birthday card. So my doorbell rung. But yeah, this is the original happy birthday card I did with a donut. It says happy birthday. Of course, I got to test these things out. Wrote myself a little note because I'm celebrating my birthday every month. So on February 6th, I'm going to give myself this birthday card. Initially, I didn't do a color. I didn't do full color for this first one, but I did put my website on there, and I did it blank inside. As for the new one, I did full color. Of course, I still put my website on the back, and then I did just simple birthday greeting here. So I'm gonna go ahead and carefully fold this over. So you don't make any mistakes. I know like people use like edge rollers to like, oh, maybe I shouldn't do that with the crystal because it put a little indent in the card here. And today I'm going to use my scissors to cut the edges. Try to get as precise as possible. Did not start off great because I still see some white edge. I'll bring that down some so you guys can see what I'm doing. Just kind of cutting off the white edge. Does not look great from the back either. Ooh, maybe I do need my cutter. So, of course, if you're not a great precision cutter, definitely use a paper cutter. So I would probably definitely use my paper cutter again next time, just to avoid any mistakes, so that the birthday card comes out looking really good. Because right now I got a little few bumps in the road from not using the cutter, and I don't like that. But because I'm not making this for anyone, I guess I can do that. So you have your birthday card. Happy birthday greeting card with your logo and, well, not your logo, but your message here. It's your birthday, bitch. Then you can have space to write a special message in the inside. And then you have your back, how normal greeting cards will have. And this is what I'm talking about the bumps in the road. See, I still see some white here, and then a few nicks and crannies with the scissors. So definitely next time I would absolutely use my paper cutter because of the precision that I got with this one. So this one I use my paper cutter, this one I use the scissors, and you could just tell it's more like the overall cleanliness on here, and then you can just tell that this one has been through some things. But those are my greeting cards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.